Hello my lovely friends, hope you all are doing fantastic. On today's How Hack episode, we are going to show you a hack which has been used commonly, but it could be possible that some of y'all are not aware about this hack. I'm definite enough, many of us come across this problem of cleaning your cooking range every day. Of course, because when you cook something, maybe the salt might spill off from the bottle, or it might fall off from your hand, or even when you're stirring on the gravy droplets might fall around the place on the cooking range. Nevertheless, on the other side, if you're frying some item, the oil splashes off and small drops of oil will be formed on the cooking range, which actually makes it messy. And of course, you are inviting insects, you're inviting roaches in your house, which is another headache. So to avoid all this problem and avoid the daily headache of scrubbing and cleaning, I guess this is an easier solution of how you can manage your day-to-day problem with cleaning of the cooking range. Well friends, I would like to thank a very dear friend of mine, Thelma, and her little son Ralph for helping me out with this hack. It was their hack and I love to share hacks. Of course, I have mentioned in most of the videos, if y'all do have any hacks which y'all find useful and could be helpful to someone else out there, I request y'all to share it with me either through emails or through the comments section, and I will definitely make a video. If not, y'all are most welcome to make a video, and I will put up your name mentioning that y'all have taken the effort of doing the hack and presenting it so that it would be useful to the people out there. So without wasting any further more time, let us get into today's hack. For this hack, you'll require aluminium foil. As you can see here, they have put aluminium foil as per the size of the cooking range. What you have to do is tear out aluminium foil on the required desired size of the cooking range and cut out on the areas where you'll have to put in the burner for your cooking range. Can you see? It is quite easy, but please mind your hands when you'll cut off, because there could be chances that it could slip through and hurt your finger. Slowly cut through the edges where you'll have to place the burner, and do the same on the other side as well. Now cooking ranges can differ from one house to the other house, so it depends what type of cooking range you all are actually making use of. In this place, it is a full-fledged cooking range with an oven. That's why the burners are in this way. In another place, you could see only 2 burners, just a plain cooking range without the oven. Now here, as you can see, this is the other piece that is placed on the other side. Since friends, you all know that aluminium foil does not actually come in a square shape, so you all will have to adjust, removing the sizes and trying to press on the edges in this way, so it sits neatly on your cooking range and there might be no gaps where oil or gravy could seep through and fall off inside. So in this way, your cooking range will remain neat and clean. Now here, as you can see, this is the other burner that she's cutting for, and once all the cutting is done of the burners, you'll simply have to place them on top of the cut portion in this way. This is the last portion that you all will place completely at the end of the burner, so it will be clean even on the edges of your cooking range. So friends, that was the end of the hack. It is a common hack, I do agree, but for those of you all who are not aware, this is a very good way. But the only problem is that every 15 days, depending on how much you all make use of the cooking range, you all will have to keep changing the foil. Now let me tell you friends, this hack will incur money, because you all will be changing the foil quite often. That's once in 15 days or so, if not at least once in 20 days. If you all want to maintain the foil for a good number of days, I would advise that each time when you all are done, every night, like you all do the cleaning and scraping of your gas top or something, even for this foil portion, just take an ordinary kitchen cloth and clean on those areas where there must have been oil or gravy spilled, or some salt or tea powder, anything could have been spilled. Just try to remove it so that you all can maintain the foil for longer time. This hack is good, of course. At the same time, it is a little expensive because you all have to get the foil, but nevertheless, as you all are aware, foil comes in a larger size which can hold you for a few months. So friends, that was all about this hack. If you all have liked it, please do let me know in the comment section. For those of you all who have not yet subscribed to my channel, it's a sincere request, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get updates on all my upcoming videos. So friends, I'll see you next time with another new hack on How Hacks. Bye.